Students. Today's topic for ninth class book of computer science is output devices. Output devices are used to display text, graphics and images on the monitor or to print information on paper. Information displayed on monitor is known as soft copy and anything printed on paper is known as hard copy or printout. Commonly used output devices are monitor, printer, plotter and speaker. So all output devices means the devices that are used to display the result on the monitor screen or in the form of hard copy we get with the help of the printer. So they gives us the these devices, output devices give us the result or information. Like monitor shows us the result, printer gives the printout on the paper. So these are the output devices. So when we get the information on monitor, we call it the soft copy, and anything that we get on paper is called the hard copy. And commonly used output devices are monitor, printer, plotter, speaker. These are all output devices that gives us the result. First output device is monitor. There are these two monitors are shown in the figure. This is CRT, cathode ray tube monitor, and this is LCD, liquid crystal display monitor. Now monitor is an output device that has a screen on which information is displayed. It has two common types: cathode ray tube CRT and LCD, liquid crystal display monitor. CRT monitor is very similar to old television. It is almost obsolete due to its big size and low display quality. An LCD monitor is slim, uses low power and has better display quality than CRT monitor. CRT and LCD are shown in the figure. So this cathode ray tube, these are the oldest monitor screens, and they are just like the previous old televisions. And CRT is the new monitor that has a LCD is the new monitor that is slim, smart and uses less power and has the better display quality. Both are output devices and both are used to display the result. And there are two types of monitors: colored monitor and monochrome monitor. Black and white monitor were called monochrome, and colored monitors are the other type. Next is printer. Printer is also output device that print text and graphics on paper, which is known as hard copy. There are two types of printer: impact printer and non-impact printer. Again, printer are the output devices that gives us the result on the paper. Means it gives the print out. Whatever we save in the computer, like if you have the document of MS Word, suppose that if you want to get the hard copy on the paper, we take the printout, and that printout copy is called the hard copy. Impact and non-impact printers are the two types of printer. Now here's the extra information written here. The first high speed printer was developed in 1953 by Remington Rand, an early American business machine manufacturer, for use on UNIVAC computer. UNIVAC were the first generation computer, and at that time high speed printer was also used. And UNIVAC or in 1953 they developed this high speed printer, and that was used to give the printout on the paper. Now first example of this printer is impact printer. Impact printer uses electromechanical mechanism which causes the character shape to strike against the paper and leave an image of the character on the paper. Impact printers are basically character printer. They gives the output and they print character wise. For these number A, that is the dot matrix printer. Second one is inkjet printer, and third one is the laser printer. First, dot matrix printer. This dot matrix printer, this is impact printer. And other examples of impact printers were daisy wheel printer, line printer. Dot matrix printer, uh, Dot matrix printer is the most commonly used impact printer. The printing speed varies from 50 to 500 characters per second. It means this is the character printer that print the characters at a time. Next, its printing quality was poor, it was cheap, and they produce a lot of noise during the printing. And these printers are still in use for printing invoices, bank statements, utility bills, etc. Next example of a printer is non-impact printer. That impact non-impact printer print without striking on the paper. There are two types of non-impact printer: inkjet printer and laser printers. Inkjet printers stores ink in the cartridge and stays on the paper. Through fine nozzles they spray on the paper. Laser printer uses technology similar to photocopying machine. Laser printer is the expensive computer, faster and high quality printer as compared to inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are used in all sectors such as homes and simple businesses. Laser printers are perfect for large scale of businesses. Inkjet and laser printers are shown in the figure. In the previous page I have shown you the both pictures of inkjet and laser printer. They are non-impact printer, means they gives us the print out without striking on the paper, and these were the fastest printers. And they use cartridge where the ink is filled, and then they when they print, yeah, they spray on the paper with the help of the nozzles, and they give us the output that is high quality, faster. And this computer was expensive at that time, and now nowadays these non-impact printers are mostly used, and their printing quality is better than impact printers. So till here we have done today. ठीक है, types of printers and types of monitors, these are the two output devices. Thank you.